Look at dog Zoe. Looking out at window. Yeah, we were down to about 3mm tread on fronts. We're just scrubbing them, front wheel drive. So these original tyres van were new, so we're having these all-terrains put on and being recommended these Falcons and wild tracks I think they are. Give us a bit more grip, a bit more all-terrain, especially being in winter. And so we've brought Bertie. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at you, Zoe. It's like a beautiful. Oh, look at this. You're stunning. She's been to dentist this morning. You've had a filling done, haven't you, Zoe? Yeah, so we're just here at Malcolm's in Barnsley. Aren't we, love? Yeah. Seems we've come back home for a little bit. Aren't we? Whoa, look at you. She can't talk. This is brilliant. I think she could go to the dentist every day, Zoe. Yeah, you've had a filling done. She had a filling come out, haven't you, love? Yeah. So we've had to come home, haven't we? For you to go to the dentist.
You said I can't eat out for 24 hours.
Oh, you lose some weight as well. Bonus. Not only will you be quiet and don't talk, you're going to lose weight.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel, Bertie Bus. I hope you're all okay. We're back home again. So we came home for Christmas, which was great. Came to see family and stuff, and that were really good. And then we headed off to East Coast, so we did a vlog on Scarborough, which was our first vlog of 2023. So if you've not seen that, you can go back and watch that. Really had a great time. And then we've had to come back home again. I mean, when I say home, this is Sheffield, deep car area where I used to live, and I used to have my house here. I've had 2 new tyres fitted on the front of the van, because these tyres are original tyres when I had van. And I've basically scrubbed tread off front tyres, these road tyres that I've got on Sonic. So I've had in my mind, need to get new tyres. And then I thought I'm going to get some all-terrain tyres, a bit more grip on front end at van. Some better quality tyres, if you know what I mean. Pleased with that. So here we are again. We're here tonight. And when I say home, we're kind of parked on an industrial estate in the middle of deep car where I used to live. So, and it's nice to go to local pubs and everything again, and meet up with family again and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong, you know, I love all that. I've got to come back in 4 to 6 weeks for another blood test doing. And I'm thinking, oh God, I've got to come back again. So I think that might stop us from going down south, because I know I've got to come back. So we might still go to Wales, spend a bit of time there, and come back. And then just now, you know, we're just saying about things going wrong. She's had a leak, Zoe, on her ceiling in her house, so she's had to have plumber in to sort this leak out. And then she sent a text message earlier on to her son to say there's nothing else needs doing in the house, Adam, because we wanted to get off. And he went, nope, no mum, everything's fine. An hour later, she's just got a phone call. Her garden wall's fallen down, and it's a brick wall, and it's collapsed, and it's fallen down. So, anyway, so we're back in 4 weeks, because it looks like I've got a couple of days work there to rebuild a garden wall. So, just can't get away, can we? Oh dear. And she's saying to me, we want to go abroad, and I'm saying, do you think we'll ever get abroad, Zoe? Because every time we want to go abroad, do we have to be here for something? Just the way it's going at the moment. We can't get away long enough. But, oh well, shit happens, doesn't it? So we keep smiling and we'll keep going. We'll just make most of it and see what happens. So we'll find out where we're going tomorrow, shall we?
Otherwise, he just completely froze.
So you don't like them if they're on white?
No,
I'm going to put them on white then. I'm going to put them on white because that's the only way you're going to lose.
No,
Sick of losing to you, Zoe.
It completely froze me.
You do me head in with drafts.
I was going first.
You do me head in with drafts.
Go on,
What?
it's your turn.
Oh, you're right annoying me though.
You love it really. You shouldn't
No,
keep playing,
you
mate.
really annoy me with drafts. Because you always win, and it right annoys me. You're so sneaky with it.
I'm not, I just play normal.
There's no such normal as a roughing rule, Zoe.
It's a Barnsley thing. I know.
Oh, wait, see what I mean? Roughing rule. How does that actually work? That, in itself, is just...
What?
It's not right.
It's the rules.
The roughing rule is your imagination. I don't think it exists.
Honestly, I googled it. It's right.
So the roughing rule is, if you can take her counter and you don't, she can take your counter off. I don't think that's right.
It's an old way of playing draughts. It's not the modern way.
Yeah, no, but it just makes it more complicated.
It's easy.
It's not easy. You just...
Oh, John, you're really drunk.
Oh, give up. I'm not playing anymore. I'm not playing you anymore.
You are easy. How drunk are you?
I'm not playing you anymore, Zoe. How come you've got one counter of each there? How drunk are you, Zoe? Whoa, how come you've got one counter of each here? Whoa, who were right and who were wrong there then now? With your bloody roughing rule. Taking your own bloody counters off, which is always a good thing, but... So I have to take you, even though I know you can take me back.
I don't know.
Listen, it's absolutely fine. I'll have that.
I don't know what's happened.
I'll have... No, fair's fair.
I'm thinking I'm winning here.
How drunk are you, Zoe? You just make this up as you go along, you.
No.
Honestly, you do. You swear to God you do. It's never... No wonder you win all the time. So I have to take you.
Yeah.
Knowing full well that you're going to take me.
At least I'm taking right colours this time. I don't know what happened there.
If you want to know what we do at night, this is what we do. I'll show you. I don't know if you can see chessboard here. Can you see chessboard? Here she is. Here, bloody chess. Not chess, drafts. I'm not even going to get you started on chess. Just...
Go on, your turn.
You have no rum and coke left. I need to drink to numb the pain.
Oh, I don't know what happened.
Hey, do you like me a Viking cup? Look at that. Was all you got me for Christmas. Viking cup.
I want one.
To match me Viking hairstyle. Not. It's just a mess.
Come on, we're on a countdown.
We're not on a countdown. Don't start playing... We could actually, because you don't play very well on countdown. I remember you playing Paul and you couldn't cope.
Against the timer. Thank you.
Oh, Zoe. Do you know what? Do you know how much I hate you? Have I told you recently? This could cause a divorce, this, if we were married.
We're not married.
It's a good job, innit?
Oh, you hate losing, don't you?
Yeah, because I don't think you play fairly.
I'm playing fair.
To your rules. Yeah.
Well, what? I'll play whatever rule you want me to play. I don't care.
How about me winning? How about that rule?
I'll still win.
Let's play the rule of John winning. Yes, I know, I've got to take you.
Yeah, I'm surprised you didn't miss that one.
It just winds me up. That's not what I wanted you to do, though.
Well, I'm smarter than you. So I moved out of the way.
Don't, you make me laugh.
It's because I'm smarter than you, that's why I keep beating you. Can't help it.
Anyway, we've come from home. Where are we now, Zoe? Back on East Coast again, aren't we? Back on East Coast.
Next to the sea.
Back on Scarborough seafront again, aren't we? Oh, you can't see me because we've dropped camera down now because I'm doing Jess and us as well. Back on the seafront, aren't we?
Yeah.
And then we're going to Fireley. And then we're going to Flamborough.
Then we're gonna back home and we're gonna wait.
Oh yeah, we're going back home for a change. Back home. Well, we're passing home actually because we're going across to Wales, aren't we? Yeah. We're going to meet What's Occurring, aren't we?
Yeah.
They don't know it yet, but I mean, What's Occurring? Yeah. Oh God, do they know what to let themselves in for with us?
You short term. I wonder if they can play at drafts.
You could set them a challenge at drafts.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yes.
That would be good, wouldn't it?
You can set them a challenge at drafts, can't you, Zoe?
Yeah.
With these stupid rules.
Not stupid.
So What's Occurring? Can you play drafts? Please say you can, because you can play Zoe, because she drives me mad with this game. This is one game that you are actually good at, and it right winds me up.
You've got to be smart to play this game.
You always think about 3 moves in front, though.
Exactly. Because I've got a bigger IQ than you.
Anyway, she's priming with rum and coke, aren't you, love? And do you know why she's priming with rum and coke?
I'm drinking it as well, so don't use that as an excuse for me thrashing your ass.
No, I'm talking about going abroad.
Oh yeah.
She's trying to pin me down to go abroad. Aren't you?
We're going in April. I've already sorted it. Don't you worry with Hillary. We've got a plan. We're booking it. You just sit back and I'll tell you where I want to go.
It's like saying sit back, I've got to drive.
Well, I'll just tell you. I'll just set it in sat nav and I'll tell you where we want to go. Me and Hillary's planning trip.
I've got to be honest. I'm shitting myself. I don't even know which way to go around the roundabout, Zoe.
Well, we'll get a sat nav where you follow the lines.
That's going to be 400 or 500 quid.
You're a really good driver. You'll be able to do
it's different driving because everything's wrong way around.
Well, I'll tell you what. We'll just follow Mark.
I'll come to a roundabout and go left me. I know I will.
No, you won't. Mark will wait for you.
The other side at roundabout. Well, I'll go left.
You'll not. You'll be okay. You've got me navigating. You'll be fine.
So not only does she want to go abroad, she wants to go to not just your normal, let's go to France and Spain and just normal stuff. You're driving out the wrong side of the road. You want to go to Belgium, Switzerland, Norway, Iceland. I mean, we'll never be seen again, Zoe. We'll go out there and that'll be the end of us because nobody will ever see or hear from us again. We'll be stuck up a bloody mountain somewhere with some bloody billy goats in a bloody snowdrift. That's the last you'll see of us, honestly.
I don't mind with more time to play drafts.
I know that's where the adventure is. I know it's where the adventure is and this is why we've done what we've done. But it don't stop me being a little bit concerned about it.
I don't give a fuck.
Shh, you can't swear, it's a family channel. I'm a little bit, and yeah.
You'll be fine, honestly. I can drive if you want.
No.
Well, you drive, or I'm going to take us there. I don't care. I want to go to Europe.
It's alright you're saying we'll go to Europe. What we'll do is I'm driving along however many hours, and you'll be asleep in bloody other chair. Is what will happen.
No, what?
Really? You'll wake up when we get to destination if we get there.
Yeah, and I'll make you coffee to wake you up.
Who's going to wake you up? Hey?
I'm not going to be asleep. I'll be looking at all scenery.
Yeah, know you too well. Off she goes. Whilst I'm driving. Off you go, don't you, love? I'm just having 10 minutes and then an hour later. Are we there yet? So I know where you want to go, It's pressure on me to drive.
Google will tell you to go. You'll be fine.
I need some new clothes, Zoe. I need some new clothes. Charity shop, here we come. Charity shop. Oh, it's right nice. I love my new cup, Zoe, that you got me for Christmas. It's right nice, that. Yeah. Yeah, so we're still on Scarborough seafront, aren't we, love?
Yeah.
I want to film this because sea's coming over barrier in it right now.
Yeah,
There's a sea defence where we are, and sea's coming right over into onto the road.
Yeah, that's right.
Where we're parked.
Just watch it see.
You're getting a little bit worried, aren't you, Zoe?
Yeah, it's coming over. You know the furthest part where it's coming over, just where we are.
Ah, that's about right. Yeah, so anyway, we're parked on a zone, and sea's coming over at wall onto road where we are parked. It's quite rough out there, isn't it, Zoe?
Yeah, it's going even further.
We like to be at one with nature. We like a little bit of danger. No, we love. We'll have to film it. Get out there and film it, Zoe. Get your dressing gown on and go out there and film it.
No. That guy just ran then. He saw me.
Has it been swept out?
Across. He was rain coming over, just ran across.
Yeah. Yeah, so here we are on Scarborough front. We're moving tomorrow, aren't we? Firely.
Yeah, finally.
Go Firely, I think, aren't we? I'll put some clothes on. Oh, don't look, guys. She's naked here. Whoa, what's happening?
I got me jammies. I'm just cold.
What's happening here?
I'm just coming and get me room and coat.
She's here with her. What you got on? Your nightie and wrap round. Come and show everybody. You got your nightie on and you wrap round with your chuffing blanket. Where's that come from?
It's lovely, this blanket. It's right cozy.
What are you drinking, young colleague?
Room and coat.
Here she is, my fiancée. Bless you. We've just been having a conversation, haven't we?
Mm.
And it's one thing that really, really pisses me off, if I'm honest. Oops. Blankets over at top of one of the dogs, they can't see it, minute. Just a minute, it's Millie. Oh, there we go, Millie, you can see now.
She doesn't even budge. She didn't do anything to her. She don't even move.
Oh, bless her. Yeah, we always said we'd keep it honest, didn't we?
Mm.
Always, we're always honest. We're too honest, us, we are. We are too honest, I think, and that's what gets us into a lot of shit. Because we are very honest.
What the hell? You've gone down a lot of that tonight.
Yeah, no, but we're only there, and it's not drunk the whole bottle, have I? That was last night. Do we need to be worried, Zoe?
Yeah. It's still coming in.
Look at this, guys. There's Bertie down there, look. And look at this sea. That's where we're sleeping tonight. Look at that. Look at waves coming in now.
John, how come we're going to be on his own? Everybody else has moved.
No, there's a little Fiat Panda behind back of us. Can you see that, can't you? They've got big balls here, ain't they? And a little Fiat Panda behind back of us. But wow, look at that. Massive waves coming in here. I don't know if it's like kind of doing it justice, this, to be fair. But anyway, we've been to a pub, haven't we, Zoe?
Yeah.
We've been here, how long we've been here now? 3 nights? 4 nights. This is our 4th night here. God, we love it here, Scarborough. Another shot for you guys. We've got a little Fiat Panda behind back of me. Here. Look at waves. Look at that. You can't get any closer to the sea. Wow. God, we love life.